From ancient times until now, medically untrained men and women, moms and aunts and dads still provide the world's primary health care. We might call them family herbalists. You do not need to be an expert, just a beginner. You do not need to know it all to choose simple, homemade natural remedies that are safe, effective, and easy to use and to make. Many herbs can be wildcrafted or grown at home. After all, many are considered to be weeds. Others can be bought over the internet. If you are overwhelmed and confused by the constant media bombardment on herbal and natural remedies, relax. Take a deep breath and a sigh of relief. It is here at your fingertips in a simple to understand format. We're not trying to learn about every herb, just a few to get you started. The greatest herbalist is not how many different herbs he or she knows, it is how many ways can an herbalist use the same plant. You will discover that you might be an herbalist. After all,